Alright, so this video I'd like to talk about how to change your color and tiles on your start menu. So first of all, you're gonna go to the settings, you click this settings icon and then go to the personalization. So you're gonna click here, make sure your Windows is up to date. So it's a new PC, so my Windows is not up to date now. So if your Windows is up to date, go to start menu, and this is the settings I have right now, and it looks like this. So I couldn't change it, but in your PC you're probably able to change it. You just turn it on and turn it off and see how it looks. So for me it looks like this. It's kind of good for me. You can also check colors, and from here you can mess up with the colors as well. Put some color, for example I choose blue, and that's all you can do, and go to the background and do whatever you want to do. So that's how you basically do it. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.